Cladding gives expensive, highly exposed plant components a longer service life. STEAG is one of the few highly specialized cladding experts in Germany and Europe who provide plant operators with protection for the components in the boiler, as demonstrated here at the Rüdersdorf Industrial Power Plant. This expertise is indeed necessary, because the cladded surfaces and parts must be fully covered to withstand the flue gas and ash components that are produced during operation. The term cladding refers to a deposition welding process in which a high alloy welding filler material is applied to highly exposed metal components as surface protection. Before cladding is carried out, the remaining wall thickness of the boiler is checked. The surfaces to be cladded are then cleaned with a suitable blasting abrasive, and a weld-over corrosion protection coat is applied. Then, depending on the area to be cladded and its location in the boiler, either manual cladding or a cladding machine is used. After quality control, this means that your plant has components that would have had to be completely replaced due to corrosion, but now have a significantly longer service life with cladding from STEAG. That protects the environment and your budget.